made for you and me. Hello, 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 my loves, and welcome back into my kitchen. I'm Gabrielle Reyes, and this is the Colorful Home Cooking Show. As you can tell, I'm whipping up something fierce, something green, something creamy. It is my Avocado Zoodle Pesto. And it is exactly what I said it is. It is an avocado-based cream. It's got some spices in there, some sweet, some delicious cheesy ingredients in there. It's got some avocado, of course, cashews, because you know I'm obsessed. And then we're gonna use some spiralized zucchini noodles and then decorate it with some other delicious vegetables, seeds, and nuts. So we are making avocado zoodle zucchini noodle pesto. The first thing we're gonna do today is make our avocado cream. And what is our first ingredient? Of course, avocados. Ripe, delicious, beautiful avocados that we're gonna chop up and put into our blender. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it around in a circle, just like that. Boop, pop it open. Hello, little friend, I see you. Come on out, baby. Sweet avocado. Now, I always say that avocados are Earth's butter because, I mean, they're green, they come from the earth, and they just spread like butter, baby. So I'm gonna add in one whole avocado. This is really, really ripe, so it's very, very soft. And it's gonna blend in perfectly. All right, got my avocado in there. Gucci to go. And then I have my pesto. I'm gonna use a lot of it because, I mean, this is the flavor, my friends. I'm gonna add in about a cup of fresh pesto. And then I'm gonna add in my cashews. Y'all know I love me some cashews. I'm obsessed with cashews. I eat them every day. I put them in all of my creamy dishes. And I'm gonna add in a cup of cashews. Then I have some plant-based milk. I'm gonna add in a cup of that as well. Make sure everything's nice and creamy. And then I'm gonna add in some apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, and then some minced garlic as well. And the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar are gonna add in a nice acidity and balance out this whole dish perfectly. Of course, for the cheesy element, we have nutritional yeast, or as I like to call it, noosh. You can call it nutritional yeast too, it's whatever. It's cheesy, it's delicious. I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons. I want this extra, extra, extra cheesy. We have some garlic powder and some onion powder, which you guys know I add into almost every single recipe I create. I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of both of those. I said there was gonna be a spicy element, so what do I got here? I have some minced jalapenos. Not too much, about a tablespoon. We don't want this too spicy. Gonna add in some salt and pepper to taste. So I'm gonna add in about a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of cracked pepper. Boom, bada, boom. Ooh, she already smells sexy. Okay, let's get her blended. Let's get her blending, hey. Let's get her blending. Let's get her blending, hey. All right, baby, blend. Let's see how she turned out. Ooh, she smells beautiful. She smells so beautiful. But I can already tell that I'm gonna need a little bit more of my plant-based milk, so I'm gonna pop some more of that in here. So I'm just gonna add in about half a cup, because I wanna make sure that this is super creamy. All right, let's blend her up again. I think she's ready. I think she's ready. Ooh, she is ready. Oh, the basil with that hint of the apple cider vinegar and the lemon. Ooh, I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside and then we're gonna work on our zucchini noodles. All right, so it is time to make our zucchini noodles, or as I like to call them, zoodles, if you will. And I have a delicious large zucchini right in front of me. I'm just gonna chop off the top and the bottom of it. We can set these aside. I like to use these in stir fries for other stuff, but we're gonna set it aside for right now. And then I have my spiralizer. You can get this anywhere. You can get this at Target, Walmart. I think I've seen them at some Tom Thumbs and Kroger's. I'm going to use the large side to get large, juicy noodles out of this. I'm just gonna put it in here and start rotating, and out come my noodles. Zoodle, do the zoodle dance. Zoodle, do the zoodle dance. Ooh, come on out, baby. Get a nice arm workout here. So I'm just gonna get all of my zucchini meat, and then we're gonna cover it in our delicious avocado creamy sauce. Ooh, this zucchini is producing a lot of noodles. I love it. Oh, look at all these delicious zoodles. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now that I have all of my zoodles ready to go, I'm gonna get my cream sauce and I'm gonna pour it on here. Okay. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay. And I'm gonna put about half a cup with one of my zucchinis spiralized. And I'm gonna mix it up. See, I think I came up with this recipe when I was visiting my best friend in Colorado, and she wanted to eat something raw, vegan, something fresh, but she also wanted something that was like fatty and delicious. And we all know avocados are the good fat, along with cashews. They're good for you, they're delicious. And I also heard that cashews are a antidepressant, so get your antidepressant foods right here. Look at this beautiful bowl of zucchini noodles covered in our sauce. And the next thing we're gonna do is, of course, decorate, baby, because that's how I like to make food. What I have here are some pine nuts. I'm just gonna sprinkle a few pine nuts on top. Why not throw in some more protein? Why not throw in some more good for you fats? Go for it, go for it. Because you know what, at the end of the day, if you're eating vegan, you're eating colorful, you're eating fruits and vegetables, you're eating plants, at the end of the day, you're doing your body right. Balance, it's all about balance, my loves. And that's why we're gonna balance this meal out with a nice little bit of some hearty sun-dried tomatoes. And we're just gonna sprinkle a few on top, just like that. And there we have it, my loves. Avocado Zoodle Pesto, zucchini noodles with cream. Oh, avocado zoodle pesto, made for you and me. So I'm about to dive in on some of this avocado zoodle pesto, and here we go for the first bite. Ooh, she's trying to fly off my fork. All right, come on, girl, come on. Damn. Damn, y'all. Wow. Wow. Okay, she's real fresh. She's fresh. She's got some hardiness to her because of the cashews up in there. And that apple cider vinegar, she comes through with the acidity. Damn, y'all. Damn, this is really good. I'm gonna eat this now. You guys saw how simple, how easy it was for me to make this beautiful, colorful home-cooked meal. So get in the kitchen, get yourself singing, get yourself dancing, do what you gotta do to make yourself some colorful, plant-based food. I'll see you guys next time on the Colorful Home Cooking Show, and I love you all. Bye. Avocado Zoodle Pesto, zucchini noodles with cream.